guys, welcome back. This is a faculty Sudarshan from Hari Academy. Yes, we have already announced that we are going to come up with the Abhyasa series for CA Foundation for paper 3, that is quantitative aptitude. Many of the students are feeling difficulty in this paper. So we are going to start up with the topic of statistics. Here we have planned for 20 sets of videos. So here how it will the Abhyasa series will be. It will be 5 questions in 5 minutes we will able to solve. That's how we are going to proceed with this. That's the first set. Always ready with your calculators when you watch this Abhyasa series and along with your rough notes and rough papers and all. Okay. Now we will start up with the series. Yes, our first question, they have given group of data given and how many students got more than 30 marks they are asking. Everything is based on below. What we will do, we will easily do 84 minus 65. 84 minus 65 m plus 100 minus 84 m plus MRC, we will get 35. There is 16 plus 60, 19 plus 16, you will get 35. What you will do? 84 minus 65 m plus 100 minus 84 m plus, finally you will do MRC, answer will be 35. Now, we will move on to question number 2. For the question number 2, a slightly lengthier problem. For that, you need to make a chart. What they say, in a study related to labors of a jute mill of West Bengal, the following information was collected. 20% of the total employees were females. 20% were the females. 40% of them are married. 40% of them are married. 30 female workers were not the members of the trade union. Trade union female members are 30. Okay, 30 members. In total, it is going to be 30 members. Okay, female members. Next, compared to this, 600 male workers were there. So in total, it is going to be 600 male workers. 500 were members of the trade union. 500 were members of the trade union. Okay, next, it means 100 are the non-members of the trade union. And I have also one more information that 20% of the total employees were females. Out of it 600 male, it means 80%. Remaining 20% is going to be female. So I will do cross multiply. 600 into 20 divided by 80, I will get 150. Okay, 150 is a total female member. Now come to the parts. Compared to this, out of it our trade union, and 50% of the male workers were married. 50% of the male workers of the trade union were married. Married male members will be 250. It means unmarried male members will be 250. The unmarried non-member of a male employees were 60. Unmembered, non-membered, unmarried. Non-member, unmarried will be 60. Which were formed 10% of the total male employees, correct? 60 on 10, 660 is nothing but 10% of 600. It means here the value is going to be 40. 250 plus 250, 500. 500 plus 60 is 560. If I subtract from 600, I will get 40. Now, the unmarried non-members of the employees were 80. Total unmarried employees was how much? 80. It means unmarried female members is going to be 20. On the basis of this information available, and I also want to conclude this data, right? They said 20% of the total employees were females and 40% of them are married. So on 150, 40% of them are married. If they say 40% of them are married, calculate 150 into 40%. It is going to be 150 into 40%, it is going to be 60. Okay, out of 60 married, 30 workers were of the members of the trade union. Non-trade were not a members of the trade union. It means here it is going to be 10. Okay, already the unmarried, the females were married is 40%. 40% is nothing but 60. If I put 50 in married, here it is going to be 50 over here. Okay, 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80, here it is going to be 70. Okay, that's how the calculation will be. Okay, here it is going to be 750. So what they are asking, married non-members to married female non-members. Married male to married non-members. 40 is to female non-members married. Female non-members married is 40 is to 10. It is going to be C. Now, come to question number 3. Question number 3, we are having a formula. Range is equal to class width. A range divided by class width equal to number of classes. So, take a calculator. 45 minus 25 divided by 4. That's it, our answer. Answer will be option B. Okay, now you will interchange it. You need class interval. No, class interval means class width. Okay, so you will interchange it and you will calculate the data. Now come to question number 4. Another interesting question, slightly lengthier question. Maybe in this video you may feel that 10 minutes, 7 minutes video and all. From hereafter you will not be used that problem. Now I want to do that table format again. Now I will prepare 2 table format, one for 1995 science student, commerce student. Same male, female, total. 2000 male, female, total. Same signs as follows. Everything will follows. Here I will put total. 3000 students are there. So in total it is going to be 3000. They say 70% is male. So 70% is 2100. If 2100 here it is going to be 900. They say 65% read commerce. Calculate 65% on 3000. It will become 950. 1950, then here it will become 1050. 20% of the female students read science. On female 900, calculate 20%. You will get 180. Here you will get 720. Now, if you do this 1950 minus 720, here you will get this 1230. 1050 minus 180, here you will become 870. That's how we have framed the table. Here they have given a data 3600. 75% of them are male. If they say 75% of them are male, calculate 75%. It will become 2700. Now, if I subtract from 3000, it will become 900. Then 40% read science. Calculate science. 3600, calculate 40%. It will become, if I calculate 40%, it will become 1440. If I subtract it, I will get 2160. Okay. 50% of the male students read commerce. From 2700, calculate 50%, write it here. What is 50%? 1350. Then remaining 1350 will read science. Then female will be 90. Here, if I subtract it, it will become 810. Table is formed. Now, what they are asking? X ratio of female commerce student. First, female science student. It means female commerce student of 1995 you should take. Female commerce students of 2000 you will take. Female science student of 1995 you will take. And female commerce students of 2000 you will, science students you will take. In the same way, Y is denotes male commerce student to male science student. So in the same way, if I take the data, male X is equal to 720, female commerce, here female commerce, 810, divided by female science, 180 plus 90. It is 1530, right? 180 plus 90 is 270. If I divide 1530 divided by 270, it will become 5.666. Then Y, male commerce. Male commerce is how much? 1230. Here the male commerce is 1350 in 2000. Then divided by male science students is 870. Then in the same way it is 1350. If you put it as 2580 divided by 220 equal to 1.162. And the option will be your X is greater than Y. So your answer will be option B. Suppose if this question is asked in your examination, try to avoid this question in your examination. At worst scenario cases, you will attend this question. Now come to another fifth problem. I want set 1 to be completely complex problem so that I intentionally take this sum. So they have taken a depth of 50% data given in an area and the age related to the people are given. They have said 31, 33, 34, 36, 37, 39 is a class frequencies where 31, 32, 33. Okay. The percentage of last 5 they are asking. Okay. There are 50%. So if I go for the values, I will start from last 5. It will start from 40, 41, 42. Then 43, 44, 45. 43 to 45. then 46 to 48, 49 to 51, 52 to 54, 55 to 57, 58 to 60. That's a range. Here they are only we are concerned about this last five. So what I say, 50 to 80, how many persons are there? 59 here. Then where is the 59 here? Here it is 59. So it is 2. They are asking the percentage of frequency. The total is going to be 50. So 2 divided by 50 into 100. If you calculate, you will get 4%. Directly check with where is the last class, where is having 4%. Option C is having. So option last one, option A having the last value 4%. So directly you will choose option A. For your verification purpose, you will again check 55 to 57. Check the data. 57, one data. Is there any 55, 55 to 56, 57? No data is there. No data is there. So it is 1. So 1 divided by 50 into 100. 1 divided by 50 into 100 is nothing but 2%. So second is also done. So your option is C. You never want to check with this and all. Okay, if you go with 46 to 48, n number of data will be there. Okay, mostly you will go with the last option. From the last, you will do it. So with this Abhyasa series of set 1 is done, you will get this PDF. If you want this PDF, in the link description below, download the app and get the PDF. This PDF is completely free. You can easily download it and practice it. In our next series, we'll see the 5 questions in a very 5 minutes because I want this sum to be a complex thing. So I have taken a very complex question. Try to practice it at least once. Thank you. Have a nice day.